Hey, what's up guys? Today is Tuesday and I just got through posting the video for this week. It's on the, actually I made some tool boards for my lathe cart to hang on the garage door just with French cleats. So I'll just show you real quick. So that's the lathe cart. It was over here and now I put it in front of the garage door. Of course you guys have seen that, but I just made these tool boards and they're just hanging on the that top panel with a French cleat, and then the lower panel is acting like the spacer at the bottom. So that's working out pretty good. I just posted it, had several comments about, or not several, I had a couple saying, well, I hope you don't ever open your garage door, which is a valid point. But this is in my shop. This is not connected to my house or anything as far as getting in here and then going into the house. So this doesn't even have a motor on it, and you have to unlock it from the inside, and I have to move the lathe cart out of the way to be able to open the door, so it would just be natural to move all that stuff out of the way. But check the video out, you'll see how I've done that. If I do move the cart out, I can hang the boards on the back side of the lathe cart. So for this application, if you guys have a garage door in your shop that you can't open with a clicker, or it's got a motor on it by pushing a button somewhere, you know, this is a really good option to be able to use that space because I wasn't using it, and to me this is a valuable use of space on the garage door, whereas I wasn't using it before. So anyway, I'm happy with the way it turned out. I'm not concerned with opening the door. Did a lot of cleaning up in here over the weekend, toward the end of the week last week, and getting everything back in place. So I've got some of my jigs hung up. I've got that little rockler cart you guys saw probably in the last video under my table saw wing. And then let's see if I can do it right here. So that was under the table saw. And so I've got this just holding stuff right now till I figure out where they go. And then I got this little deal that's got little drawers that pull in and out. And so now the cart is under there, and I can wheel that out to the middle of the shop if I wanted to, and use it as a mobile cart for here in the shop. So I'm really liking that setup. So if you got room for that, that's a really good deal. And then I'm in the way. I think I'm going to try this. I've got this over in this area, just kind of seeing how I like it. So I may end up putting the miter saw there. So a lot of this you may have already seen, but anyway, I'm making progress and getting to the point where I really would like a workbench here in the middle of the shop. So we'll see where that goes. Battery's dying. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the live stream last week where I gave away a couple of rigid drills. I've got one coming up, I think, next week. I'll throw a schedule out there so you guys will be notified. Be sure you hit the little bell icon if you're subscribed to my main channel. If you're not subscribed, go over there and subscribe and hit the little bell so you'll get a notification. I'm going to be doing some giveaways on some live streams on my main channel. Isotunes, some things from Rockler, a vest from Atlas. So you don't want to miss it if you want some free stuff. And I may end up doing some things with some other creators. I don't know. But I want to be able to do that for you guys and give back to the community. So anyway, go check out the video I just released on that project, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.